my name's Brooke with WTI, and we love Naturehike's tent. This is a 2-person, 4-season tent, and my husband and I sleep comfortably in one, and our kids sleep comfortably in the second one that we bought. I love how easy this is to put together. It has the mat that protects the bottom of the tent. Even though this is very durable nylon and we've used it a lot, I don't see any wear and tear. The poles are all connected, but the tent snaps onto it, making it super easy to set up. And the kids enjoy that and learning how to do it as well. It has, of course, the nails to secure it in place, but the outer fly is cool because it did protect us from the rain and the wind. I was nervous with the rain and wind because I didn't know if water would get into our tent, but it didn't. There was no water in our tent, so it was so comfortable to sleep with this tent and to hear nature, but to also be protected. So it took out the stress of camping. I like that we can backpack into certain areas that are really hard to get to, like we can't get to it with our car, so we need to backpack in, and this is just a little over 4 pounds, allowing us to do that, and then we can sleep there for the night and enjoy a comfortable rest. This is really cool. It's a bulletproof tent, and it takes out a lot of the stress of camping, and we love how this tent works for us, and that's our point of view.